Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Lake Living in Alabama. I'm your host, Jason Will, real estate broker at Blueprint Realty Company. And I'm talking specifically today to those folks that have been looking for the biggest, baddest, and possibly the best main channel view on Smith Lake for under $2 million. Hopefully you can tell by this view behind me that we're not messing around today, and you're gonna wanna stay tuned for every minute of this episode. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna get started with the exterior features first today, primarily because it's hot and I'm eager to get back in the AC where it's just pumping in there. But we have got so many wow factors to unpack from the exterior to the interior, but I want you to pay attention as we transition because I feel like this home was built with two primary goals in mind. Number one, to maximize this panoramic view no matter where you are on the property. And number two, it is designed for gathering. I mean, you've got wide open spaces. Look at all this terrace space right here. Wait till we go inside. It is a massive open floor plan with raised ceilings and just windows everywhere, just drawing you in to this view, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, you've got a $2 million view here, and this house is designed to make sure you experience it no matter where you are, which is absolutely amazing. All right, y'all, before we go down to the dock and down to check out that 112 feet of shoreline, just want to point out this hot tub and the location here. You're covered, you're out of the elements, but man, what a romantic setting with the view behind you here. You think about Smith Lake homes too. I really try to encourage people to think about it as a year-round lifestyle because there's just so much to do, obviously in the peak season, but in the off season, we've got the shoreline which draws down. They draw the lake down. That exposes this beautiful rocky shoreline. The leaves start changing. So man, this is just a lifestyle that far exceeds anything that Salt Life has to offer. All right, something else to appreciate is we've got a decent elevation here, which is going to maximize that view, but a very manageable amount of steps down to your dock. And this, as I mentioned, is the finest dock you're going to ever find on Smith Lake. I'm going to take you downstairs, show off those two bays. We've got jet ski ports and we've got a hydraulic hydro hoist lift already installed. You've got storage down there, a swim platform with two ladders. Man, this place is just entertaining, ready. And this is, I want you to think about this. The house is amazing, but the dock also needs to be equally as impressive, I feel like, because this is where you're going to be spending a ton of your time. Showing luxury real estate here on Smith Lake can get a little dicey when folks are looking to spend this kind of money and the house doesn't even have a carport, much less a garage. Well, this house said, hold my beer. You've got a 2-car main level garage. Then you've got this 2-bay basement level garage. You've got this massive workshop space, and it just keeps going and going and going. They're using the space down here beyond the workshop space as a home gym area, but man, the incredible possibilities from storing your lake toys to just maybe making it a huge game room space. So many possibilities. Can't wait to take you in there and show it off. right, y'all, welcome inside. I'm grateful to be in here in the AC. We walk in off the basement level outdoor living space that just incredibly abundant outdoor living space into a very spacious finished basement. Behind the camera there, we've got a bedroom with its own bathroom, walk-in closet. It's currently being used as a home office. Right here, we've got a really attractive stone fireplace with gas log fireplace insert. Incredibly spacious, as I mentioned, scored concrete floors. We just about have a full kitchen right here. We just don't have a cooktop, but we've got a dishwasher, we've got an ice maker, we've got a microwave, we've got a full-size fridge. So this is gonna be ideal because this is where a lot of the daily entertaining is gonna be going on. People coming in and out to grab something to eat, use the restroom, and then get back to the dock. Right around here, just behind the kitchen, is a half bath, your guest bathroom. So that's gonna be perfect for kids coming in with their wet bathing suits. We've got a nice dining space right here. And then right around the corner there towards that exterior doorway is a large storage closet. Could be used as an owner storage closet if you should decide to put this on the vacation rental market. All right, as you can see, I was not exaggerating. We're in the basement level garage area plus workshop plus a massive storage area or home gym as it's currently being used. I think it would make a great game room space for the kids. I mean, you can put couches, TVs, foosball, air hockey, pool table, stand-up arcade games, you name it. And you know, kids are really messy, really loud, and we can just keep all of their stuff out of sight and out of mind from the main living areas. And look, it's even got this cool roll-up door here. We can section all that off. I would think this would come in really handy if you were going to be putting like your lake toys, you know, jet skis, you know, things like that in there, your lily pads and all that stuff. It gets a little cluttered. You just drop that roll-up door and then just take care of that problem. So I love the fact when you enter through the main entry door, you got a couple things going on. First, you're greeted by an incredibly open floor plan. You know, this is what everybody wants, especially in a second home or, you know, vacation home, is it's just gonna be a gathering space. You're gonna wanna invite everybody that you love to come spend time with you here on Smith Lake and share this experience. But this, you can see this view through the glass of the main entry door before you even walk in. And that's what it's all about. I don't want to have to search for the view at my lake house. I want it just to hit me in the face everywhere I turn. And this floor plan, this super thoughtful design accomplishes just that. All right, y'all, if we're going to be inviting all these folks here, we got to have the space to accommodate them. And we've got the living space, but how about bedroom space? How about eating space? Well, we got 5 bedrooms. We've got the primary suite here on the main. We've got 3 bedrooms up, and then we've got that one in the basement that we just left. And also the dining space. Look where the dining room table is there. You can fit a larger table than what's there. And then you've got a super spacious spot right here to just enjoy a nice breakfast room table right here with the view. But just think about if you got a large gathering of folks here, you've got this whole bar area for them to sit. You can have a table here. You got your big dining room table there. And you've got outdoor dining space, tons of area downstairs for those cooler months. So there's going to be nobody having to rub elbows in this floor plan. right, welcome to your primary suite. I love the location. The primary and the ensuite bath take up this whole wing of the house on this end, and it's just incredibly private, but also bam. I mean, I love all these big windows. Look at the windows just surrounding the primary suite here. But we've got big bay windows. Got a sitting area there with an incredible view. That view goes on for days. I'm gonna wake up and be greeted with this view that just goes on and on and on. It's absolutely stunning. We've got an exit door there to your outdoor living space. So just a very well-designed and functional primary suite. And then it extends here to my right with dual vanities into the ensuite bath. And then we walk down this hallway right here and we've got a massive walk-in closet. I'm sure there's some room in there for the husband stuff, but man, is the wife going to love that closet space. And this is a cool, I think, kind of reality of this particular home is you never know if you're going to get hooked on this like I am and want this to become your everyday reality. This home absolutely has the space and amenities for it to be a primary residence. Again, it can be in just a extremely bougie second home or one of those luxury vacation rentals that people just book like over and over and over again every single year. But man, these windows just drawing in this view. I mean, these people knew what they were doing with these windows. And then it's very unique. They've got a TV mounted here on the ceiling. I don't think I've seen that before, but man, that's just the perfect space to have it, right? Awesome. Welcome to the second level. We have got 3 very spacious guest suites up here, each of which has its own private bathroom, which just creates a very comfortable experience for your guests. You know, they have their privacy, they have their own space. There's 2 stairwells leading up to this level, which I think is very thoughtful, very functional. Behind the camera there, we've got a very deep and wide attic space, which I know is very important to a lot of folks out there. All right, so the bedroom straight in front of me. I don't know, it's hard to find. I mean, you could literally play a game in this house. Like, where is the best vantage point to take in this incredibly panoramic and big, badass Smith Lake view? But I mean, as soon as you walk into this room, it's like walking through that front door. It's just like, bam, just wide, deep, wide lake view. And so it's debatable, but in my opinion, this guest suite right here, this lakeside guest suite right here has the best view of the entire property. Y'all, that's gonna do it for me here on Bluff Pointe Drive in Arley, Alabama. God, this has been such an incredible Smith Lake home tour here. I think they're right. For anybody who has ever said this is the best view on Smith Lake, I cannot argue with you. This has just been really, really special. If you're in the market for a home that has just over 6,300 square feet, has 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 2 half baths, 3 levels of absolutely amazing, amazingly spacious living space, from the interior all the way out to the exterior, all the way out to that double-decker boat dock, y'all. I mean, just imagine, we've got the 4th of July holiday creeping up on us right now, and man, what a party that can be had right here. Just memories that can be made for just, I mean, years and years and years to come. Very, very special place. And I hope I'm the one who has introduced you to your ideal lake house purchase here on Smith Lake. Again, I'm your host, Jason Will, real estate broker at Blueprint Realty Company. You got questions for me, just call or text anytime, 251-583-9728. You want to see more listings here on Smith Lake, no problem. I've got them all plugged in, whether you're looking on the Coleman County side, Walker County, Winston County, just go to smithlakeactivelistings.com. That's smithlakeactivelistings.com, and we will see you real soon on the next episode of Lake Living in Alabama.